Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to merge two cells in Excel. Okay, so if you want to merge two cell in Excel, two or three, four cell in Excel, what you have to do here, you will see these are the cells. Okay, so I want to merge B2, C2 and D2. Okay, so what I have to do, you have to just select the cells which you want to merge. Okay, all the cells which you are to merge. Okay, now select it. Then here you will see merge option. Okay, in home tab you will see merge option. So you will see many options, but you have to just click on merge and center. Okay, this merge and center. Now you will see it, this cell is merged. Okay, now you can type whatever you want. Okay, like this, and you will see the B2, C2 and D2 is merged. So like this you can merge two cells in Excel. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.